Welcome to my transformational channel. Here we'll talk about self-confidence. You may not believe those people are getting success, those people are millionaire, those people are billionaire. I would say one thing they should have, that is the self-confidence. If you will have the self-confidence, then you can also become one millionaire person. You can also become billionaire person. Actually, human being can able to do the same thing which they can think fast. So we can say in one of the statement, let me tell you, we will become what we think. If you are thinking with the right direction, if you are working with the right direction, definitely your self-confidence is more. So you may raise these questions. You might have observed that self-confidence is an inbuilt, it's a natural stuff, it is coming naturally, and many people are having that self-confidence from birth, from the childhood only. They have this nature, this is the God gifted. I would say no. You can build your self-confidence. So I'll tell how many techniques, what all techniques are there, so that you can learn the self-confidence. So imagine if you don't know English, or you don't have the public speaking skills, or you don't have the communication skills, then what you used to do over here? Either you read something, read some scriptures, novels, some books, going for training. So these are the stuffs you are going for, because you need some confidence, because you don't have that self-confidence. If you will be reading, or if you will be listening, or if you watching some English stuff, then only you can slowly learn. So before starting all of those things, first of all, you should have that self-confidence in mind. Yes, if I'll do those things, definitely I can improve. Because people are improving like this. If someone is a big speaker or having a good report on public speaking, so definitely he must have started his journey from the day one. He must have struggled a lot. Even he might be having that same issue right now. What are you facing right now? So you can cultivate those. So when you desire, when you have zero doubts, when you have burning desire, then only you can build the self-confidence. When you wanted to do, when you have desire to do the things at any cost, and you can put any price to achieve those things, then only you can develop your skills. So this is what self-confidence. You have not started anything, you wanted to learn something new, and you may not be any kind of knowledge on it. When you started thinking, if you will be taking all action, definitely you can do that job. Whether you are into the entrepreneur field, whether you are into the corporate field, or you are a student, you should have this self-confidence. Suppose you have exam, I think I would say after 6 months you have exam, and today you just thought, no, I cannot do, all these papers are difficult, I cannot give my best. Then what happened? From the first day onwards, you lost your patience, you lost your belief. So you need to learn, you need to develop how you will have that self-confidence from the day one. Your exam is there after 6 months, and you must start the preparation. And when you thought you cannot do, then what happened? You already give the signal to your mind, no, I cannot do it. Then when you are saying you cannot do it, then what happened? You cannot put your focus, you cannot put your energy, enthusiasm, passion on that work. So without facing exam, you lost, you are defeated yourself. So what I would say, instead of thinking negative, if you will think, yes, I can do it, I can score good marks, I can score more than 70%, I can score more than 90%. If you thought of this thing into your mind and you visualize these things every day, then what happened? Your self-confidence will take you ahead, you will get the edge. And of course, if you practice regularly, you may be getting more than 95%. And of course, people may not believe on you, but when you have the belief to yourself, then you can do amazing stuff in this world. People might say anything to you, people might give any negative feedback on you, but when you have that self-confidence, then you can do exponentially, you can grow in your life, you can do magic in your life. So in this way, you have to build the self-confidence. Nothing is impossible in this world. If someone has done previously, then you can do it. If someone has put their efforts, someone has performed the same thing one day, if you wanted to do it, then of course you can do it. So this belief, this faith will bring you self-confidence. I hope you are clear till now. So how you will develop the self-confidence? You must have the goal. You know where are you going. You know in which direction you are moving. Before starting anything, you must visualize all of those things. When you visualize, when you internalize, then you can have the self-confidence, and you can utilize those principles, basic thoughts. You should inculcate those thoughts towards your desire. You should bring those habits so that you can take action and you will be consistency on your journey, so that you will be unstoppable. Nobody can stop you. You can get anything and everything in your life. So self-confidence is a must, and you need to learn, you need to have that burning desire, belief and zero doubt. If you wanted to start anything, please don't keep any doubts whether I may achieve or not, whether I may succeed or not. Don't think about the fruit, only take action. If you are taking action on right direction, then fruit is just a byproduct, money is just a byproduct, and your results are just byproduct. If you will be expecting that you should come under 10% people, suppose you have one entrance exam, only success rate is 10%. So if you wanted to bring yourself within 10%, if you wanted to see yourself within 10%, then you have to know what 10% people will do first, what all are habits they have, those are getting those results. Those are getting IIT, those are getting other medical, those are passing the toughest entrance. What they used to do, at least you can go through one or two success story and you can understand them, how they are doing, how much efforts they are putting. If you will be taking the action the way success people are doing, definitely will get the result. But when you take action more than them, then you will be unbelievable, you will be getting unbelievable result in your life. So I would say that visualize your dreams, visualize your goals every day, and stay positive. Just get rid of all negative stuff. When you will get rid of all this negative stuff, then what happened? Your self-confidence will grow exponentially. You will get the massive results in your life. And please stay with the like-minded people, growth mindset people, your environment, your mentor, your family, everything does matter in your life. So please stay calm, be happy, and bring that happiness inside your mind. Feel that. And when you are visualizing your dream, then you can put your action exponentially. And when you start putting action massively, then definitely your result would have so effective you may not ever believe in your life. So this is what I wanted to say, how you will develop the self-confidence. Hope you can connect me. If you have any question, please give the comment on the chat window so that I will answer your question. Please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you will be getting much more ideas. You will be getting the technique, strategy, so that you can apply those things in your life, and I want you succeed in your life. Thank you very much for listening to this. We'll again bring with new ideas. So till then, goodbye, take care, cheers.